Hi viewers, welcome back to Smriti channel. In this video, we are going to see the preparation of jangri. For preparing jangri, we need 1 kg of urad dal, half kg of rice or rice flour, and 3 kgs of sugar. Let's take the urad dal and rice. If we are going to use rice, then wash it, then soak it in water for 1 hour. After this gets soaked, let's prepare the sugar syrup first. Take the sugar according to the quantity of urad dal that we have taken, and to this add water which can cover this sugar. Then add this food color, you can see this jaggery color to it. Then keep it on a flame so that we can prepare the sugar syrup. Here this sugar is getting melted. We need to stir it occasionally so that there will not be any lumps in it.
అందుకని నేను మ్యాక్సిమం కవర్ చేయాలి కిరణ్కి అంత తెలియదు మళ్ళీ అది చేయలేదు అంటే మళ్ళీ అమ్మని పెట్టేస్తాను.
Then you can see the sugar syrup, it got melted and it got boiled for some time, and this consistency is almost ready. The consistency of sugar syrup for janggery, it needs to be a thin string needs to be formed. We can see here when we are lifting this spatula, we can see the thin string has formed. Now the consistency of sugar syrup is ready. Of flame, we need to remove the foam which has formed on top of it. Now we can see here the thin string consistency has come. Now let's bottom pan and add oil to it.
Badram.
The urad dal batter into a janggery maker cloth so that we can prepare janggeries using that. While doing the janggeries, make sure the flame should be of medium heat. It should not be overheated, otherwise we can't able to prepare this janggery like this. How we are making over. See, this is how we need to prepare it. Using this cloth, we had to make this janggery. If we are not able to make it in this shape, that's not an issue. We can make it to the shape that
మహబూబ్ నగర్ లో ఆడో ఉన్నాడంట ఈ కరోనాతో ఇంకా మూసుకొని వచ్చేసినాడు మొత్తం జాబ్ మానేసి వచ్చి ఏదో పాల్ డైరీలో వ్యాన్ డ్రైవర్ గా చేరినాడు. పుత్తూరు మధ్య నుంచి అంటే స్కూల్ కి దానికి తలనొప్పి కదా ఇది తీసుకున్నాడు.
The main thing
1600 square feet 8 లక్షలు.
Oil should be of medium heat. It should not be overheated.
మస్తు చాలక్క.
If we make sure of this, we can able to prepare the janggery. The person is making the janggery,
చూడనా ఓటుగానే వేసేసేటట్టుంటే
because the heat of the oil is medium.
అంతే ఒకేసారి తద్దేహించి దాంట్లో.
If we have more heat, we can't able to
అన్ని అదే వచ్చేది మా ఫస్ట్ చేసి నూనె కాగలేదు.
కానీ అత్తయ్య అట్లే ఉండాలా మరి మనం ఇంట్లో పోసినట్లు 2-3 వస్తే బాగుండదు. ఒత్తుగా కలర్ఫుల్ గా తెలియని వాళ్ళు చేస్తే అట్లా చిన్నదిగా వస్తుంది.
This is very simple recipe, but still see here, one thing is we need to get bottom pan and the heat of the oil. It should be of medium heat. It should not be overheated or normal. Even the way that we deep fry remaining recipes, it shouldn't be like that. It should be medium heat. We can see by pouring this janggery on the oil, even it's not coming out soon. It's boiling very slowly.
సత్రాల్లో వచ్చి గోమగుళ్ళకు ఉన్నాడు వాడు రమణేసేది
మాస్టరా
And it will take some
ఇదే
time
పని
to get it boiled.
చూస్తా అంట ఆడాడ కొందరు పోలీలు చేసేదానికనే వస్తా అంటారు కొందరు
It is very medium, so it will take some time to heat. See, it looks
మొన్న
really
ఏడాడో పెళ్ళికి
awesome.
పోతే ఇద్దరు ఆడోళ్ళు వచ్చి
People
పోలీలు
used to
తడి
add
తడి
the
తడి
food
తడి తడి
color
వేసిన
in the batter itself, but instead of to add the
అయితే వాళ్ళు
food
ఓన్లీ
color in
పోలీలకే
the sugar syrup, it will look good. Now you can see few of the jaggeries is turning into the light golden color.
మందం
And
చెప్తున్నారా
these are almost ready, and we are good to take it out and dip it in the syrup. Just we need to make sure we are flipping it on other side, and even on the other side also these jaggeries are getting heated the similar way. Instead of using some spatulas here, we need to use something like a stick or something like this, where we used to take the urud balas, right, which we use it for breakfast. So the same stick we can use it, the steam one. We can observe like even we got full. We can pour some more jaggeries also till all the oil gets covered. We can place those many jaggeries. Of course, this urud dal is very healthy for all of us, even for kids. If we make it at home, we can use good quality of urud dal and even the rice and whatever the ingredients that we are using. There will not be any preservatives when we do it at home. So it's always advisable to make some snacks at home. See here, when we saw it at first, only one side of it was burned properly. Now on other side we are flipping it so that on both sides it's getting it's getting fried actually, not boiled. Now see, we are testing it. Now this is ready, and after taking this out of this oil, we need to dip it in the sugar syrup. We need to leave it for 2 minutes in the sugar syrup so that it will absorb the sugar syrup inside of it. Instead of just leaving that in the sugar syrup, we need to dip it using this spatula. Here we can see that if we dip it and hold it for 2 minutes, that will be fine. After 2 minutes, we can take these jaggeries out of the sugar syrup. That's enough, and this sweet will long last and it will be very good. See, our jaggeries are ready now, and this is very colorful and very good in taste and looking very awesome and yummy. Hope everyone enjoyed this video. Thank you all for watching.